Bluetooth dual-mode mouse is a particularly popular office mouse. Flying+Bird recommends wireless Bluetooth dual-mode mouse 256. Dual-mode mode of 2 for GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.2 with stable signal. Fully compatible with Windows, iPad, Mac and other mainstream devices. Wireless and Bluetooth mode, 1 key switch. 1200-1600 3-speed DPI. The mouse is small and exquisite, and the color is very beautiful. Weighs only 60 g. Ergonomic, comfortable to hold. Quiet design for button configuration. There is a dedicated receiver on the back of the mouse. 500 mAh large battery, continuous use for more than 10 days. Sleep function, intelligent power saving. Excellent performance and a very cost-effective mouse. Flying+Bird. Thank you for watching.